Today, I want to reflect on the role of purchasing within supply chain management. It's an area that often overlooked, but it's absolutely vital to ensuring businesses run smoothly and efficiently. Purchasing is more than just buying raw materials or products. It's about building relationships, managing costs, and ensuring quality. Here are the few key takeaways from my learnings and experiences. Strategic sourcing matters. Choosing the right suppliers isn't just about the cost, it's about quality, reliability, and long-term value. Negotiation is key. Successful purchasing involves balanced cost, efficiency with maintaining strong supplier relationship. Sustainability and procurement. Modern businesses are Sustainability and procurement. Modern businesses are focusing on ethical sourcing and minimizing environmental impact, making purchasing a driver of sustainability. But purchasing also comes with challenges. For instance, balancing cost savings with maintaining quality or navigating global supply chain disruption has taught me the importance of adaptability and strategic planning. Purchasing is the backbone of an efficient supply chain, and it's amazing to see how it impacts the bigger picture. What's your perspective on purchasing and its role in supply chains?